Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management and click on Project. Go to Process, then to Project Tagging and click on Project Cost Tagging. Project tagging in an ERP system is a feature that allows users to label or associate various transactions, activities, and resources with specific projects. These are Voucher Narration, Account Code, Project and Budget, and in Project and Budget you can change your project and budget by clicking on Project and Budget tab. You can also change Transaction Limit by clicking on Transaction Limits tab. And click on Update Rate. Now you can change your budget year as per company requirement. If you want to export your data, you must click on Export button and then you can export your data to Excel, CSV and PDF. And you can also print the data to save your data.